Alright, here we go, new batteries and everything. Lorian, how do you feel?
Like crap.
We are on top of the world, and I ask you how you feel.
Like crap, that's all.
See, this is nature. We are blocked by this glass.
Okay, let's go find.
Okay, we got to find a group. Oh no, we're not failures yet. We still got our group. We're gonna go via this side. Come on, let's have a gander. You laugh when I say gander. Why is this?
I can't take any more videos. I'm all out.
Hang on. Where's Sammy? Hang on. Sammy! Come here. There she is. Our nature video failed, so we got to make it all over again.
We have to make the nature video again?
All over.
All over?
There's so little time.
Mine worked, but hers stopped, and now I'm all out.
Hello, taxis.
Right, well, listen carefully.
Stay there, and
But you go to the elevators.
This is
go
our
to the
teacher
bottom.
talking.
When get out, turn left, to go in the gift shop, and wait there for everybody.
So we got that on tape.
So much
So you
sight
can go back
for
and
knowledge.
listen to it again, and
Oh.
if you forget, you will know, right?
We know where to go.
Right.
We know where to go.
we know.
You have to
We
be in the
know.
gift shop
We know.
no later
We know.
than
Look, I'll take a
2:15.
picture of my finger.
2:15.
Say hi to nature.
Have an hour.
A little less than an hour,
Little
about
less.
58.
Wave at the camera,
wow.
Miss Adley. Say hi to nature.
Hey, nature.
Yay, nature.
Keep him with y'all.
Follow us.
Don't
Follow
let him
us.
get lost.
Follow us.
And tell me again what time?
Oh, God.
What time you have to be no later
2:15.
than? 2:15.
Okay, come on. You lost your accent.
I know.
For a brief second, you lost it.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Come on.
Come back.
Come back.
Come back.
Come back to us. Okay, we gotta get on this side. Wait, there's people everywhere. There is the grass.
I can see a car. The
That
cars
is
are amazing.
grass.
I want to see where like the globe is, like where the designs used to be. We were making nature videos and my camera's
Say hello, nature.
Hello.
Lovely. We're going to the very tip top.
Okay, let's just
The
follow
very tip top. Where'd Sammy go? Sammy the seal, you're supposed to follow us. Sammy Yamian. You're following us. Oh no. Oh, this is not right. Oh god.
Don't wreck her, please.
Jason.
I just got raped. On the top of the world. Why? Ooh. Buildings. Corey just died. Do whatever you just did. Oh no.
I want it there.
Okay, we are going to the very tip top.
There.
Very tip top. Okay.
Wait, make sure it's recording.
It is recording.
Okay.
We only got half of a video left.
No.
There's shiny stuff.
Over there.
Hello, shiny stuff. Oh look at the little buildings. Buildings. Oh no, this can be deadly. Oh no, I missed you, Lauren. You're in a total different one. I can't make it. Okay. Now we're riding the escalator. I see your shoes, Lauren. Going up. They're going down. Lordy, Ian, I'm running out of time. Oh no. In the words of that guy we heard in the mall, oh shit, boys.
Spit on my phone, I can't. It's wet, it's got to stop.
Oh no, I spit on her phone.
I did.
Oh, I thought I did.
No.
Now I'm confused. Anyway, this is the very top of the world. Besides that building, possibly one of those. We got to say goodbye because my camera's running dead. Bye, nature.